What we have for you today is a Greenworks 1700 PSI 1.2 gallon per minute portable electric pressure washer that I picked up at Lowe's. Not for $99 when it was on sale, but I waited till it was $119 because that's just how I roll. Alright, first things first, let's see what comes in the box. Alright, so we have some packaging material, an interface for adding soap. You can snap that in. It's a soap feeder. You've got its own supply line. The unit itself. The gun. Nozzle. Instructions. And maybe a different tip. Alright, so what comes in the box is the unit itself, long power cord, a ground fault plug, instruction manual, the gun, which presumably just snaps together just like that, the tip nozzle for the gun, which is around here somewhere. And that just goes on like that. There we are. Feels pretty good. And that's the connector hose. And that's going to be the soap feeder, which attaches somehow. We'll work that out. Alright, got it all together in just a couple of minutes. These are screw type connectors here. That's the same connector as what goes to the front of the unit. The hose that it comes with is 20 feet long. The power cord is 35 feet long, so there's plenty of room to run it to your extension cord wherever it is. And there's no leaks anywhere. A little bit of leak on the back from my hose, but that's kind of a lousy connection. But the factory connects and the gun itself do not leak. So we're going to give this thing a whirl and let's see how it works. Just to give an example, this is the hose pressure that I'm working with. There's not really a lot of pressure. So we'll see how the pressure washer works with this pressure. Well, that thing works pretty great. Let's get the tractor up on the lift so we can really wash this thing. Time to snap in the soap dispenser. I put just a little bit of boat wash. It's basically the same as car soap, car washing soap in here. And we'll try this out. All right, let's suds it up. Well, I should have washed it out better there. All right, we let the soap sit on there long enough. Now we're gonna rinse it off with the power nozzle again. Overall, came out pretty nice and shiny. A couple of spots here and there that splashed back, but overall I'd say it's a pretty good little pressure washer. Got all that gunk down in there. Of course, we have a couple little problem areas, but not too bad. A little bit of soap I missed. So overall, I'd say the Greenworks pressure washer is a pretty cool little tool, and we're going to put it through the tests. And the sun is setting, and that's all the time we have today. Thanks for watching.